शेनवारा मैडेच्या तरणाट्यांनी सरभोंवतणी वाठार नितळ केलो. गांवांत नितळसाण करपाचे हेतून कॅथकिझमाच्या भुरग्यांनी आपल्या शिक्षकांसयत गांवांत नितळसाण राबयली. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today our young people are going to receive the sacrament of confirmation, realizing that they are the co-creators with God, taking care of the beautiful earth God has created. And garbage is a serious problem all over, especially in Goa. So they have taken up the mission of cleaning the garbage and returning the earth back to its beauty and its pristine glory. And we are proud of them. They realize that in labor there is dignity. Human labor has great dignity because labor is made divine by Son of God who became man for us and did our human manual labor. I wish them all the best and pray God to bless them and make them leaders of the earth, leaders of mankind.
Have taken a very good venture along with our parish priest and the catechism teachers. It is indeed something very, very good and appreciating to know that our young generation, our young students are not only going to be spiritually blessed, but also will be able to understand the importance of nature and to revere nature because it is God's creation. You and I are God's creation. God has given us so many beautiful things around us, and it is our Christian duty, it is a virtuous act to take care of all the nature that God has given us. God bless you, and I hope you will continue this through the ends of your lives to always revere nature.
Today we are doing this cleanliness drive because to keep Moira clean and green. And as we are going to enter the youth soon, so this is our initiative from our side so that the future generations follow us.
No plastic, yes, biodegradable.
No plastic, yes, biodegradable.
एक दो कचरे को डिब्बे में फेंक दो.
एक दो कचरे को डिब्बे में फेंक दो.
God's earth, not dump of garbage.
God's earth, not dump of garbage.
Follow 3 R's: reuse, recycle, reduce.
Follow 3 R's: reuse, recycle, reduce.
कचरा काढा, जमीन वाटाळ्यात.